and just trying to see what could be breaking out of different zones, different channels, and that's what we shall see. Hey. Hey, Lola, hi.
What's up, Linga?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
Right, so we just looking at the power hour.
Okay. It doesn't look like I'm going to get out of any of these trades today.
You'll be surprised.
Okay.
You'll be surprised. You will be surprised. Think some of this will move actually towards this last hour.
Okay.
Okay. We since we don't, some of us
Let's
don't. I mean, well, not just some of us. I really don't short the markets. So one thing we have to understand is that the VIX has made an all-time low today. So, you know, this is probably, and the market's an all-time high. So that's something we need to keep watching.
Consider, yeah.
Which means, so, you know, we probably want to, let's see, just give me a second. We're just going to look at the charts. Trying to look at, so I'm trying to overlook something that's not much of much interest to me. I think it's just us, right? There's three of us here. Okay, Jessica is here. Jessica, where's the loose today?
Hey, not loot yet, so still trying to get something.
Oh yeah, you didn't get your wish, did you?
No, I didn't. I couldn't. You said anything below 7.15 we should stay off or something.
Yeah. If you look at this, yeah. So I mean, I did think the market didn't want to give us more than 7.5 ish, and so it wasn't that interesting to me. So I was looking at this. This is actually a bit interesting, but again, SPRT, I believe this should squeeze at 9. I really think it will. So if you have this is something you want to hold for, you know, you want to hold it. It's there. It's there. The markets is there. The charts looks good. Even the fundamentals look good actually. When the orders are coming in, I can see 11, but we're just going to see when it's going to come. And that's all it is. So right now, the setup isn't great. It's not great. Why is it not giving me where I want to see? Okay. So yeah, CSU is one you want to keep for your books. So I'm going to look at, what was I looking at before? Just getting old now, right? SPRT. So SPRT we're going to be looking at here. Where's Bosse?
Okay, I'll send her the link so she can join.
What do you mean? You're trying to hide her from...
No.
Don't protect her. She has to come and analyze something for us. Okay. So SPRT, I'm looking at this, but of course, if you're not in, just hold out, stay out. But if you're in, without a shadow of doubt, it still looks good for a squeeze. I was talking about VIXI. So if you have this in your portfolio, this right here, let me just have a look. It's quite straightforward. The days of the technology, so good, so amazing. So this just literally touched all-time lows. So you probably want to start getting some of this today. Just not a lot, not like a whale, yeah?
Okay.
Not like a whale.
Okay, what's the entry price for hymns?
That's the price right now.
Is
Okay.
this for long term or?
Oh, no. This
Thank
is when the whole market, because now the market is hitting an all-time high, everybody's smiling. This is when you're gonna be getting in now, and you know. So you're gonna get to some of this, and when the market's poof, you get out. This is gonna move up. So I'm preparing you for when the market is gonna dip. Yeah. So do we have them in your 212? I think we do have it in 212 actually, but in 212
Hymns is in 212.
Sorry?
I said hymns is in 212.
No, VIXY.
Oh, okay, VIXY. Was it VIXY you were referring to of buying now?
Yeah. No
Okay.
hymns. I think it's a UK thing. So you probably will not find it in 212. You will find it in your Bamboo.
Yeah, it's not in 212.
Yeah. So you won't find it in 212. Let me see. Okay. If it's in your Bamboo, you want to get some. All right. If you don't care, this is me telling you how to short the market. Yeah. But if you don't, care, you don't have to. You don't have to. I'm just getting you ready to short the markets.
Okay. I wish I had something in Bamboo. That'd been great, but
it should be in Passfolio if you have Passfolio.
I have Passfolio, but I haven't funded it. Funny thing.
Okay, then you're not shorting the market. Then it's fine. Shorting is not very nice. No, it's not long term. It's a time term. What do I mean by that? The minute the market just does this, it's gonna move up. A lot of you have taken the course. You understand that, don't you? Am I making sense? When the market does this, it moves. Okay, so let's see what we have. Just trying to give us some joy in this market. And those are the ones we want to play with. Other than that, we're not playing with anything else. This here, the last hour should move. If you have money in your Bamboo, yes. If you do have money, yes. It's a gradual buy. You don't buy at once. You do 300 today, and then it dips further, 300, dips further. Yeah, it's not a long time, but it will reward you because the market's all-time high now. Everybody's saying the market's going to go down. The market's going to go down. We don't know when the market's going to go down. So you need to have cash in your accounts, and you need to start holding cash. That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, so if you have anything in profit right now, take profit, get out, take profit, get out. Which is why, we looked at Wish. It looks good. But the thing is, this is not a NASDAQ or a Dow thing. The Russell 100, the Russell 2000 is a bit different. So, some of you say, but I have bags already. That's not moving with the Russell 2000. Don't worry, because that is not really moving. That moves on its own. As you can see, it's still down, isn't it? So don't worry about that at all. But you don't have to buy if you don't really care that much. I'm just taking it to a different level. ACY seems to be okay. See how it performs, or see how it moves rather. ACY, let's see what happens here. So ACY is not doing much, yes, but this is gradually. So this is the Friday. People tend to close a bit early, just like when you go to the markets. ACY is not moving. I'm trying to find the last movers of the day, well, of the week as well. We have PPC. PPC's made its own move. We have Very, VERY, Very City. Oh, come on. So we have Very City, we have VVOS, EVOK. I'm just trying to see which of them is within our buy zone, if it's all within our buy zone. ACY hasn't made a move, so we'll leave it for now. Wish. So I wouldn't be holding Wish overnight, guys. I'm not going to be holding Wish overnight. I'll be selling Wish. But you know, it's a 40 cent scalp anyway. So we got in at what price? We got in at 710. I think it's fine to get at 750. Get 40 cents across, however how many units. That's okay. That's the risk reward that we played there. And there's not a lot to this really. This right here is, so you'll be looking at this gets into 24, and so this right here is your that's a 17% opportunity. That's what I've presented, guys. So, but I don't do that at all. I don't short the market. FLGC. So we're trying to see the last movement this thing will make before the end of the day. Some people are looking to take their profit now, and of course, I'm actually interested in this. This has got a they've got the earnings report on the 18th, which is in 5 days, or should we say in 3 business days. Keep an eye on FLGC. What else? Let's talk about Wish. SPRT is still within shooting range, if I can call it that, because SPRT is a squeezed short, a squeezed stock. And it's still there. I did show this. I'm not seeing much movement yet, but you will start getting movement now. This is like the last hour of the market. Senseonics, this is not moving at all. Which one received? Ooh, this is the guys that received a decline from. Wow. And that's the thing about biostocks, as you can see, they blow up all the time. Look at that. So let me just copy the charts. Give me a second, please. Wow. That just destroyed. They've just been destroyed. Wow. Just a second, please. We're just trying to get the best plays, and that's all that matters here. All right. We have, so FLGC, like I said, 1515. The volume is still there. Most of the time, this thing, the last 40 minutes of the time, they move, but it just feels like it's paused. I'm not seeing that yet. I'm not getting any alerts. LFST, let's see that. LFSC. Just a second, please. So LFSC, let's just look at LFSC. LFST. Okay. Let me just stop sharing and I'll share it again. The system is failing me a little bit, and I will share it again. LFST, just in case we might find an opportunity against next week as well, even though I hate to hold stuff overnight, but hey, Lifestance Health Group, I'm not sure, I'm interested in this. Let's just have a look. How long do we have? Wow. This right here is just, yeah, so that's a gap down. But within today though, within today, it's been good, I guess. Yeah. Oh, so this has actually been coming from a zone. Wow. Just trying to wonder what the catalyst was. Okay, this might just be a good one. Just give me a second. LFSC, let's look at the stock from all time. Right away, if you check this out from Google. Wow, so something is dropping. You don't want to be the hero to jump in. And it was only 11th of June that the company IPO'd. So yeah, so I'm gonna stay out for now. I'm gonna stay out for now, okay? Okay, the next one, in terms of what is popping, what is moving. Oh, VVOS really made a move up. Okay, that's not bad, VVOS. That's a pharmaceutical, again, what can you do? But can we scalp this? Let's have a look. Is it scalpable? There's got to be elements of, oh, I can't see life in here either. Sorry, guys. There's no life, no modicum of life. No modicum of life here. So, we'll wait. FLGC seems to be the most tradable one so far for me, guys. If you are not in, if you don't know what you're doing, please don't take this as financial advice. But FLGC, I will be getting in from about 15.5 or below anyway. This looks good. I like this. The trend is strong and there's real confirmation right there. So FLGC, 15.5, there is real strength there. Just about 15.5, and that's it, 15.5 FLGC. I think that's the only one that I've seen that makes sense so far. Where do I see this going? Where's our boss there? She needs to tell us where this is going. Let's have a look. Lola, where's our boss there? Where's our boss there to tell us?
She ran away. She ran away.
Right, boss, what can you see? What can you see?
I'm seeing lines, like colorful lines.
Okay, so FLGCs, all I can see, there's a strength here, guys. We just need to be patient for it. Okay, it's the end of the day. It's the end of the day, and there's quite a big volume which is still present. People are not selling, so there's a lot of people who are buying this. They're not selling, and we just have to be patient. But other than that, I can't see anything moving that much. But let's just see. next week, what do we see? What do we see? Let's not forget space. Space, I said this was going, yeah, this is not even moving either. I don't want to go over it actually. Wish I will be getting out. If I'm going to get in, I'm going to consider it afresh next week. Space, space, space. This one here, I call 25. Okay. I'm sure it touched 25 today, right? 25. Yeah, 25.20. Anyway, you can't catch the bottom. So when it comes to this one here, I'll be looking at, you know, taking a punt right now. At this point, it's beginning to sound very, very interesting. And yeah, so for me right now, I think space is interesting, and I'll be looking at taking the punts if you are interested. I think with, you know, this the holders have been punished enough, and now the only way is back up. So let's look against Monday, just in case. NRU, oh, CleanSpark. Has CleanSpark been getting some love? CLSK, CleanSpark. So I'm going to make a note for space, just in case I might want to get us to finish early so that we can, you know, set our positions before next week, in case anybody wants to set positions. But anyway, or just tidy up your portfolio for the end of the day. So should we get into space right now? That's the key question. I think this thing will go to 25. Do I think it's going to do more? Oh, sorry, let me actually see. So sometimes it's good to be very stubborn, but not in that way. What I mean is to have that belief in your core. Okay, this 25, it got to 25.20. So maybe I should have stayed, you know, staked a punt in at 25, and I think it's probably worth taking a punt at 25. But yeah, don't go beyond 25, and if you miss it, it's life, right? We can't get them all, like we always say. So 25 here, stick a punt in, and that's what I will do. CleanSpark, you all know, this is a really great company. Okay, forget what the markets are saying right now. This is a great company, and this company will, you know, forget what the shutters have said or whatever it is. This will do amazing things. I don't know if they're going to beat the earnings, because this just combines everything crypto and clean energy, recycling as well with it. So we all tend to think, oh no, it's not been doing great. But listen, how many growth stocks have been doing great recently or lately? Not a lot. So just be careful with this one, but this is good. This is really good. I have a lot of things I'm expecting, or great things I'm expecting from CleanSpark. But I wouldn't get in yet. I'll wait. I think this is going to be pushed up next week. OTLY is another great company. OTLY just had an IPO, and when they had the IPO, some people already have big bags of CleanSpark, of course. Yeah, who doesn't have the bag now? Right now, no growth stock is moving, was making any move, and that's just the way it is. So OTLY, I think I have this in the watch list, and I can't remember what price I said I will find it attractive, but look at the watch list for this. This has actually already got a $10 billion valuation. I don't know why, but I think that's a lot for such a company. Anyway, you know, they make stuff from oats, basically. Yeah, so it's got $10 billion valuation. I'm not sure it's something I want to be getting right now, but yeah, well, I'm looking at that. So, but yeah, OTLY, it's something that attracts me, that interests me. It's got a lot of interest from, you know, natural eaters, the Wall Street, etc. So what they're doing is attractive. But soya milk liquid, I don't know yet. Let's look at the next one. Blade Air Mobility. I love this company, but I don't want to look into it. Why? I don't want to look into it, number one, because it's a Thomas pack. Number two, why do I like it though? Kathy Woods, she bought a lot, truckloads of this stocks of this company. So, you know, that's another reason why it's one reason why it's attractive, one reason why it's not. But I'm not going to look into it. It's a Thomas pack, and I don't pay interest into them. Intelligent, CLGT. Oh, UAVS, AG Eagle. This is very interesting. Well, it's been a long day. Sorry, yawning your ears. UAVS is going to be very interesting, guys. But I'm expecting this to take a lift next week. No pun intended, because they are into drone services. So this is a really good company, and I think it's very well. What's it called? In terms of the price as well. So, but yeah, I like this one here. BKYI. BKYI, guys, I think next week might just be the next opportunity for you to get out of BKYI for the next most immediate future. BKYI, great company. It deals in securities, but you got to be careful. You've got to be careful. Look, this is literally this year, okay? It's been really flat. So be careful, even though it looks like, yeah. But great company though, great company. CVV, hang on a minute, CVV has been running today. Could that be somebody knows something? Yeah, look at that, 42%. Does somebody know something? Who releases news literally near their what's it called? The earnings. Something's fishy right there. But again, we're not here, we don't care. We just wanna make money. Well, we didn't trade that, unfortunately. DPW is another one. FENG Feng is another one. KBNT, this got a lot of money with, contract with Twitter. I like that company. OXBR, QSI. Again, Catwood's got QSI. Truckloads of shares. This is a company I was looking at for $10 a while back. Now it's $8, and it's a former SPAC. So great company, owner, founder. But you know what? I'll say goodbye to them. Okay. And finally, VISL. VISL was in the dollar range ages ago. Now got to about $2. Even went to $4 last year. Am I interested in this? Hell no. But I love the company. Great company. Okay, so that's about that. I'm trying to find the movers. We couldn't really find the movers, but against next week, I'm going to be looking at SPCE, CLSK, OCLY, and UAVS. Those are the only companies I'll be looking at towards next week in terms of if I'm going to take interest in the earnings, just so we can make, can turn some profit. But other than that, I'm cutting out everything else. All right, guys, it's just half an hour to the end of the market right now. And I shall say good night. Can't see much happening. The market's just gone quiet now, and it looks like we are near the end of the week. So, Teresa is staring at me right now. But yeah, guys, enjoy the rest of the weekend. And Bookie, bring something over the weekend for us. Anyway, guys, bye-bye. Bye, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Jess. Sorry, today's not a looting day, I guess, for you. Nothing in the market to loot.